Hello and welcome back to my channel Daily Learn. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very entertaining topic. Do you know? What is the tone of author? So, let's get started. Tone is the author's attitude toward the topic. The author's attitude is expressed through the words and details he or she selects. For example, textbooks are usually written with an objective tone which includes facts and reasonable explanations. The tone in a story indicates a particular feeling. It can be joyful, serious, humorous, sad, threatening, formal, informal, pessimistic, or optimistic. For example, if you write the sentence, 1. Your carelessness is irritating me, but if you say 2. You have no idea how irritating your carelessness is. You see, two sentences have different tone. One is bit simple but the other one is pissy and angry. So, this is how you see the author's way of writing. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment. Good luck.